Hello, how are you? So today we're gonna do something that I thought would be really cute, but don't know, might look really stupid, but it's gonna go with my blocks that were amazing yesterday. So little tiny blocks, guys, little tiny blocks. These are 1x2 select pine, and I just painted 2 coats on one side, 1 coat on the other of the clawfoot tub from Bungalow 47. Yep, the paint that I like so much. We're gonna do the same thing we did yesterday, that little black technique on the edges, and we're gonna use the Farmer's Market stencil from Magnolia. We're gonna use some of these words here, and then I'll show you how I put it all together and all of that goodness there. I'm gonna take my black, put paint on it, and then we're gonna do the edges. We're gonna actually make it look like we underpainted it. So I'm gonna dip this into my paint just a little bit, kind of rub it off, and then we're just gonna go around the edges, guys. You know what? Am I going this way? I am, aren't I? Not this way. How do I do it?
How do you do it on a book?
I should know this. Like beef?
No, not like that.
No? This is the bottom. Go get a book.
Okay.
See, okay. So it goes like that. Jane Austen. Thank you. I'm going to position these. I've got to fuzz them first. I'm going to stir my paste over here. I'm going to go ahead and chalk these. We got the beef, guys. Where's the beef? It's right here. For anybody who's new, I just have a little Dollar Tree little thing with water that I throw all my stencils in after I'm done using them. Woo! So here is the produce. See that one? So cute. So I'm gonna hot glue these now. Let's stick a little strip of glue and we're gonna glue them together. Okay, so I glued them together like this. It's so cute. And then see, they can stand like this. It sits up and then it kind of looks like a book stack, see? So, I don't know, I think they're cute. I think it's adorable, guys.
Yeah, I know, because
Can you come stick your finger here for me?
I can.
Stick your finger there. Keep it tight now. Keep it tight. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Perfect. So look at this, guys. Like here, look at the cow, and like, look at how cute! Eee! I love it. 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 Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I think it was a fun one today. Hope you guys like this.
It was fun!
Hopefully it'll inspire you to drink milk, even though I don't like it, eat some beef, and go get yourself some produce. You guys have a good one. Bye now.